Hey, who doesn't like a good, delicious glass of wine? You know, like a good glass of red or white wine. It's the perfect way to unwind, but that glass of wine may be causing you skin problems. Hey, I'm Elaine Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so according to medical experts, drinking more than 2 drinks a day can cause severe damage to your skin. And one of the first signs that you will see is dehydration. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it causes the body to lose fluids, leading to dry, dull, and flaky skin. Dehydration also causes your skin to lose elasticity and that plumpness, leading to the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it looks like you are aging faster. With less moisture, your body will produce less collagen, which is the thing that you keep, that keep your skin looking young and gives your skin that, that aspect of softness and springiness, if I may say so. You also become far more vulnerable to sunlight, so your skin gets burned, I will say, like, more easily. I'm not trying to scare you, but there is more. Let me tell you, inflammation. You know how sometimes after a night of drinking, have you experienced that? Your skin can look, a little, I would say, like red or a little flushed. Well, people call it the alcohol flush. And it sounds cute, but it's not good. Let me tell you, alcohol can be pretty tough on our bodies, and it can cause inflammation in different tissues, of course, including your skin. Now, this inflammation can lead to histamine reaction, which is a kind of it's like the body's way is your body trying to fix things, but it also can lead to a lot of redness on your skin. At first, it might not seem like a big deal, but if you keep drinking, right, like a lot over time, that redness can become more and more prominent, and it can lead to a condition called rosacea, which is when the skin, you start seeing like redness in small blood vessels on your face. Drinking a lot may increase your chances of rosacea. I mean, it's a fact, but let me tell you, there is a lot of people with this condition who never drinks. Did you get that? That's important. And of course, drinking consistently can also lead to systemic inflammation in your body. So now you know. Okay, so now what, right? Like, you love wine and you've been drinking it for a while. Is your skin going to turn against you? Well, no, because your skin has the ability to bounce back. Hallelujah. If you decide to cut back on your alcohol consumption, your skin will have the ability to recover and regenerate itself. The body has an amazing ability to rehydrate and repair itself, and that includes your skin. Of course, your skin is part of your body. Anyway, here's the thing. The amount of damage that has been done to your skin will determine how quickly your skin can recover. I know. Have you been drinking too much? So, if you've been drinking for a long time and you decide to stop, well, that's great. But it's important to keep in mind that once you have destroyed your collagen, the proteins that gives your skin that plump, youthful look, well, when it's gone, and it's very hard to build it, to get it back. Again, collagen is an essential component for healthy, youthful looking skin, and alcohol can cause collagen to break down, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Think about that next time that you're going to, when they're pouring you a good glass of wine. So if you want to see your skin looking and feeling its best, you need to cut back on alcohol. That's the first step. And your skin needs a lot of water and nutrients. Not to mention skincare products, good skincare products that contain elements that will rehydrate, right, like your skin and plump it back with lots of collagen. I have plenty of videos on my channel about products that you can use for best results, but let's revisit a few key elements that you need to have in your cabinet. Yes, in your cabinet to help your skin with its with the recovery process. Along with, of course, you need some lifestyle changes if you want to see fast results.
Come on, dance with it, come on, rock with it, come on.
As we have already established, hydration is key. I mean, drinking plenty of water and eating foods high in water content can rehydrate your skin and flush out toxins. It's also important to use a good moisturizer with hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, snow mushroom, and ceramides. These ingredients can help you lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and supple. Some great products with these ingredients include, yes, I have some recommendations for you. Of course, Biossance Squalane+Hyaluronic Toning Mist, which is a hydrating spray that you can use to set your makeup. I love this one. Of course, Caudalie Vinosource SOS Hyaluronic Hydrating and Thirst Quenching Serum. It's oil-free, it's just great, and it has polyphenols, which is a good antioxidant. Which, of course, brings me to my next point, using skincare products that contain antioxidants. Of course, go for vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea because they will help you protect your skin from further damage and they will promote collagen production. Exfoliating your skin very gently can also be beneficial since it will remove the dead skin cells and it will promote cell turnover. If you got sensitive skin, well, do not exfoliate. I will say more than once, maybe twice a week. Let me tell you, by the way, go to the description box and take the quiz. You will find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. And of course, you've got to have your beauty sleep. I mean, sleep plays a vital role in skin health. And getting enough sleep I promise you, it will make a big difference in how your skin looks and feels. And yes, this eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, veggies, and protein can give your skin the nutrients it needs to repair and regenerate itself. And of course, make sure that you are using SPF 30 or above. And finally, since you are cutting out the alcohol, you might as well avoid smoking too, because smoking also damages your collagen and can cause, of course, inflammation. So yeah, you want to steer clear of that too. Hey, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with me today. Subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.